Hello. First of all, I show you the plant of our company. Here, this building is for some spare parts and produce spare parts and installation. Here, this area, whole building, will be for CNC workshop. Outside, these parts are for aging treatment. The parts for aging treatment make sure stable pressure. We can see the CNC workshop. Here is the big machine, die cutting, and here will be one color CNC. At the end, also a big one. And here's laser cutting machine here. Laser cutting. Here, grinding machines. Grinding, wire cutting. Here, also drilling machines. Okay, here also drilling. So we go. Here is our CNC workshop, and we go continue. Yeah. Can see the machines. Now we go outside again. Here is just the inside is for cutting the parts, metal parts or the aluminum bar, something like that. Aluminum bar parts. We go to for the second floor for installation. We are not go there. We just go to this plant again. 1 minute, please. Here is also bigger class. Here is the whole building, our building. And here we can see the machines, the masking machines for sheets, for sheet materials. You can see here is the one color, and we will cross here. Okay, it seems I can't find the best points to make the photo. And the workshop, one color of one workshop. We also have same workshop on the second floor, but we see here is for masking machine with sealings. With sealing machine, it is compact structure. You see, let's see here, unwind the shaft, unwind the shelf, and here is the host from here. Totally touch screen, and control the tension of the unwind shafts. The guide here, this one is for pin, nose pin fitting, and here is for the melting, and here is sealing, and then the bottom will be cutting. Here is for rewind the wastage. This is the specialized sealing masking machine. That one, your machine is too big. For this machine, one person operates the machine. You can see we stand here, operate, product is here. Very easier to operate.